Well, everyone, as most of you know, iOS 26.2 has just came out, and the iPhone 13 is one of those iPhones that's kind of in the middle. It might be worth installing for some people, installing iOS 26.2, but for others, it may not make a lot of sense. So here's the thing that I would basically say is if you're in the middle and you're trying to figure out whether you should install iOS 26.2 and you are currently on iOS 18, meaning you are currently on iOS 18.7.3, then I would probably say it would make sense for you to stick on iOS 18.7.3, maybe for a little bit longer. You don't have to stay there forever, but you can just stay there for a little tiny bit longer, and that might give you a little bit of a better experience for some people than iOS 26.2. So that is one of those things to keep in mind there. On the flip side though, if you are currently on iOS 26, let's say you've already installed iOS 26 and you're pretty much feeling like that's the best way to go and you're on 26 or 26.1 or something, 100% I would recommend installing iOS 26.2 on your iPhone 13. That would make significantly way more sense. The reason for that is because you're already on iOS 26, you don't really have that much to lose from that side. Right? It's only going to get more stable from that particular perspective. However, on something like an iPhone, 13, if you're on iOS 18, it would make more sense to just stick with iOS 18 at that point because it is going to be more stable and it's going to be giving you probably a far better type of experience when it comes down to the stability side and battery life side. So it's not the biggest deal in the world, but that is kind of one of those things to keep in mind there for the most part. So from that side, that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.